gonna make friendship bread tonight. So we gotta squish up our starter.
Squish, 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 squish.
Now we're gonna put it in a non-metal bowl. The whole thing.
Can the metal bowl break?
This is a glass bowl, and yes, it can break, but non-metal bowls is what the recipe called for, so that's what we do.
It smells yummy.
Okay, 1.5 cups of flour. Ooh, good job. We're gonna need that for more flour in a minute. 1.5 cups of milk.
Why is there 2 milk?
Because this is gonna go and will be the part we separate out. This part is for when we cook. And then 1.5 cups of sugar.
Here.
All right.
Move everything.
You got it? Wonderful. Thank you, sir.
It's going down.
Now we gotta stir it all up.
Here, I'll stir it.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna scoot you over a little bit towards it, okay?
Looks slimy. Slimy.
It is. This part is what we're going to take out and make a starter for 4
Okay.
other loaves of bread. Okay. How about, can you hold this big bag and I will scoop?
Yep.
Alright, be careful because when I pour it in, it's going to
Hold it
get a
tight.
little heavy and we don't want to drop it.
Hold it tight.
Ready? Come over here. Alright.
Ooh, it's getting big.
It is. Right there.
Now what? Why do we get a little bit?
Because this is called starter and this is what we give our friends. That's why it's called friendship bread. And so our friends can make bread at their house from the starter that we made for them. Add 1 cup of sugar. Good job.
Now what?
Sorry. 1/2 cup of milk.
Look up. Be careful. Oh, it just got on me.
It's okay. Wipe it on your apron. That's what it's for. 3 eggs.
3 eggs. I didn't get eggs on me.
Good job. A cup of oil.
Of oil. Is it really full?
Uh-huh.
So I'm gonna have to be careful.
Oh. Okay, it's 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay? Thank you.
Holy cow.
Now this, we have to do 2 more cups of flour.
Are you doing lots?
No, I'll let you dump it in a second.
Are you putting all of it in there?
Uh-huh.
Is it gonna be? Is it full? The full? Oh yeah,
Big bowl.
big full.
Alright. Alright, and our very last thing is our pudding. This time
Why
we're,
is there something under?
because there was stuff on that. This time we're adding chocolate pudding instead of vanilla pudding. Be very careful.
Oh, we have to do
You got it?
the yellow put.
We already did yellow pudding. That's what we made earlier.
No.
Okay.
Now here.
Well, that is to help us scoop it out.
No.
This is to stir. Okay.
Here,
Start stirring.
Wait, I do see the vanilla one.
Yeah?
Oh, I see the flowers.
Yeah.
Look, it's all good there.
Mm-hmm.
Woohoo! We're done it. We're done it. We're done it.
Want me to do it?
Into this little stringy pan.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, I do see the vanilla.
Maybe don't put so much in
It
every
was
time.
it was down at the bottom. Oh.
Just do those and then the small muffins. too.
Now I'm good. The muffins. Bring me kind. The muffins. Bring me kind. Big me kind. Big me kind. Big me muffin. Oh, big night. Oh, my baby York. Ready New York. Oh, la lily lo. Oh, la lily lo. Oh, la lily lo. Oh, la lily lo.
Okay. And they'll go in the oven at 325 for 1 hour.